Today, I'm taking you right into Snowstorm, hitting us in Toronto. So we are just on our way right now, and I'm even scared to even drive today, so probably I'll just take the public transit. It's better to just take the transit. Oh my god, there it is, I just don't want to miss it. Hello. Finally arrived, and we are looking for a way out to the street from the station. We are finally out, and I'm about to do something crazy that I've never done before. And guess what? This is my first time fly a drone in this kind of terrible weather, but I don't know how it's gonna go. And as you can see, everywhere is white. I don't even know what I'm thinking in the first place, but hopefully it goes well. You know, in life sometimes you need to take a risk just to achieve something, so I think I have to apply it here just to see how it goes. Hopefully I don't risk it, I don't lose the drone. But before that, this is the kind of life that we are living here. It's like this throughout the year for about probably 8 months, I guess. Yeah, in average. And summer is like how many months? 3-4 months. And then again we get back to winter. This is just the reality. And according to statistics, today's snowstorm is estimated to be measured like around 20 to 30 centimeters. So you could imagine how terrible is it to drive in such weather condition. In such situation, I would advise as a brother, do not take the risk to drive. Public transit is the best option to go with for your safety. For those of you who drive will understand what I'm talking about. So I'm about to do one of the craziest things that I've never done, which is to fly the drone above one of the tallest